Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to learn a little bit about lipomas. We're also going to tell you a little bit about our YouTube future, so stick around. So what is a lipoma? A lipoma is a growth of fatty tissue that slowly develops under your skin. People of any age can develop a lipoma, but children rarely develop them. A lipoma can form on any part of the body, but they typically appear on the neck, shoulders, back, abdomen, arms, and thighs. They're classified as benign growths or tumors of fatty tissue. This means a lipoma isn't cancerous and is rarely harmful. Older dogs are very susceptible to lipomas. Does anyone have a pet with a lipoma or tumor? Leave them as a comment below. While I show you some lipoma highlights, I want to tell you a little bit about our constant struggle with YouTube. We always try to follow their guidelines for medical content and keep our videos educational and not too extreme. However, sometimes they throw us curveballs that don't make sense. They deleted two of our large channels, the original All-Star Medical and All-Star Medical's Dermatology channel. They had almost 80,000 and 70,000 subscribers respectively. They also had over 100 million views. They gave no specific reason, but the channels had no copyright or community guideline strikes. It's just hard to be a creator when channels are deleted without explanation. They also deleted Jim Nitarucci's channel for no reason, but ultimately restored it upon appeal. Similarly, they once suspended Dr. Sandra Lee's channel, but lifted the suspension upon our appeal. Click like if you're happy that Adam helped to save Dr. Lee's channel. The bottom line is that it's a hard platform to work with. Many YouTubers make ad revenue. We have one medical channel with 200,000 subscribers that made 10 cents in ad revenue last month. We do ask that if you're interested in a great sleep aid or pimple popper tools, that you check out Rest More or our high quality blackhead removal kit. We feel like they're amazing and will help us make more videos for you. Check out the links below. YouTube has also pulled most of our videos out of your subscription feed, so if you're a subscriber, you have to click the bell to actually get notifications about our videos. Thanks again for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing pictures and removals of some interesting lipomas. Subscribe for new videos every week, as we intend to bring you the best medical education videos that we can. Adios.
My name is Gabby, and I have been doing Rest More for almost a year and a half now, and I'm really persistent on this product. I love it. It has made me so where I just take two of them, and in about 30 minutes or so I am relaxed and I can go to sleep very well. It doesn't make me necessarily knocked out and completely drowsy, but it definitely puts my mind and my body in the right state to where I can go to sleep in a relaxed and calm state.
Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper Kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.